Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, are you also one of those who are always interested as a digital marketer or as a website owner to know how much traffic is coming on a particular website or maybe on your competitor website? If the answer is yes, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you multiple tools through which you can check anyone's website traffic in real time without their permission. And don't worry, it is absolutely free and 100% legal. There is no illegal practice, and this you can check in just single click with the help of multiple free tools available on website and internet. So for example, let's say I want to know how much daily traffic or daily visitors are coming on amazon.com, for example. So of course, amazon.com is one of the biggest e-commerce website in entire world in terms of popularity. But does it have that many number of visitors in a particular day so that we can call it a biggest website in the world in terms of e-commerce? So find out. Let's just copy the URL of this website homepage, because homepage is the most popular page. Just copy the website URL, go to google.com and search for website informer. This is one of the online tool, or you can say website, which tells you how many number of visitors are coming on a daily basis to a particular domain. So what we'll do, just we'll open this website in a new tab so that we can explore more other tabs also, and then just paste your website URL here and then click on search. In just single click, it will fetch the information. It will show you on the right hand side. If you see here, it shows multiple other information also, but the major information which we are talking about in this video is this. So daily visitors is around 58 million daily visitors are coming on amazon.com. This is the stat, that amazon.com has this much of huge traffic, so that we are calling it as one of the biggest e-commerce website in the world. And how many years old domain is this amazon.com? It's been 30 years that amazon.com is operational. Whether they have started selling the product maybe little later, but amazon.com was created 30 years ago. And there are other information also, but as of now our objective was to find out how many visitor. There are other tools also. So if you just search on Google website traffic checker, you will see multiple tools, and they are all absolutely free. So for example, this is one of the tool, this is another tool, and all tools will work in the same way, that you just need to put the domain. So we are just putting the domain, and then we are just clicking on check traffic. Again, same way we are using another tool which is absolutely free, and then again we are just pasting the domain and then click on check traffic. Enter valid domain name if it says. So just remove the http and www, and also remove this trailing slash, and then click on check traffic. And you can see that here for June 2025, it shows the total number of visitors in June 2025, that is 2.56 billion. Now you can imagine 55 million per day, in total 2.56 billion. And how many page visits per session, that is 6.59, average visit duration 11.33 seconds, bounce rate 42.46%. Again in the same, again if you see the other tool in organic traffic, if you see the organic traffic, this is the organic traffic. It is showing organic means from Google search or from search engine. It is showing 423.5 million. It means the remaining traffic may be coming from paid ads, maybe from advertisement, social media, other sources. Because on a particular website, it is not compulsory that visitors will come always from a particular channel. No, from any channel if visitors are coming, they all are calculated in terms of total number of visitors on a particular website. And this tool is also showing you the categorization country wise, that from which country how many percentage of total traffic visitors are coming, and you can see that popularity of websites in a particular country, and you can take do the competitor search accordingly. So guys, these were the couple of tools through which you can check the total traffic on a particular website, even daily, monthly, weekly, or in a particular month, or maybe last 3 to 4 months, and you can do the analysis which you want to do at your end. And all these tools are absolutely free. There is no charges to check the website traffic for any website. So guys, that's for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.